buddy.
Interior designer Heidi Pettee is redoing this entire home and equestrian center.
When we arrived, it was derelict. The house was a tan color. Everything was tan, tan, tan. Does not fit into what I feel that this property should be. So I'm meeting Steve today. I'm going to walk him through the big house, and then I'm going to take him into the tack room. I'm going to show him the teen room. Let me show you the inside.
Wonderful. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Please. Oh, thank you.
Let me tell you a little bit about this farm.
Okay.
The owner has an idea to build an equestrian center here for kids of all ages. What we've been doing for the past 3 months is painting everything. We've really transformed this place.
So everything under the sun.
Everything under the sun, including the barn. This house has 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
It was important for the owner to make this space kid-friendly.
Seeing the house for the first time really gave us an understanding of why she chose the designs that she wanted to go with. Also the color schemes as well. I love what you did with the space. The flooring looks gorgeous, but you know, while we're here, let's go outside, see how the gentlemen are doing.
Okay.
Installing out in the tack room.
Great.
Hey, Bob.
Hey.
How's it going?
When I saw the brochure for Tarkett, they offered this product where there are 4 colors in one box, so it worked perfectly. Did I make the right choice for a tack room with kids running in their boots, mud?
All those things.
And the sunlight.
Absolutely.
I mean, this gets a ton of sun.
From a technical perspective, this product is next generation as it relates to direct sunlight. It's 100% waterproof.
Okay.
Superior indent performance, so when those kids come running in, and the most important thing, it's easy to clean because those kids are gonna mess the heck out of it. Heidi decided to use ProGen. What makes our ProGen technology extremely beneficial for that space is that space has significant temperature fluctuations from sunlight coming in from multiple directions. Also, the product is 100% waterproof, so when kids come marching in with mud and what have you, product won't bend or buckle from that absorption of water.
Oh, wow. This room is the teen room.
Okay.
Or let's call it the all kids room.
Okay.
So there could be up to 20 kids in here at one time. It's going to be used when they can't ride and they need a place to hang out. You know, they're going to be running from the pool, coming here. So did we make the right choice on the material?
Absolutely, 100% waterproof, great bold design choices. So like here you have the mix and match, but you can also do a herringbone with this product, but we love the mix and match that you used to kind of accentuate the 2 different color combinations. The SureSet technology actually has a pre-applied adhesive that you can actually just lay it down straight onto the subfloor, which makes the installation significantly easier as you map out the room.
Now that the floors are in, Heidi adds the finishing touches, and it's time to show the girls their newly renovated home away from home.
You ready to see it? Yes. All right, let's go. So did I get everything that you guys need?
Yes.
Saddles?
Yes.
Tack?
Yes.
Bench?
Yes.
Boot storage? Okay. The place for you guys to hang out, the place to go when it rains, the place to go to get away. Go check it out. Yeah? You want to hang in here?
Yeah.
Cool. And the good news is the floor is totally durable. Good thing it's waterproof.
For more information, visit tarkettna.com/progen or visit designingspaces.tv.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.